Assalamu alaikum. My name is Parthobatim Ghosh. I am studying in Daffodil International University. My program is BBA program and department is HRM department. Recently I completed my internship at Martin Luther Limited. Martin Luther Limited, which are located at Naranganj. Martin Luther Limited is a popular garment sector at Naranganj. Uh, I completed recently I worked here for 3 months in HR sector and a junior HR officer. And I have been seeing many things at when I job here. There are probably 1,200 worker working in Martin Luther Limited, and I worked in knitting sector. I have been learned many things. There are some good things and there are some bad things. The good thing is the Martin Luther Limited is a good working. The environment are very good for working sector, and their management system are well. Management system are well for working, but and the bad things are their space. Working space are so small. For so small for the 1,200 workers, and there are some suffocation feel. I have been some suffocation feel when I worked here, and there are some more problem. There are transport problem, and the road is so narrow when I entered the garment sector, and the fire exit door are closed for a security purpose, and I learned many things. Then we for in HR internship, then how to make a good relation with worker and employee, with garments, with HR officers, and HR officer and HR officer should regularly monitoring the workers. They have been working good or bad, and they work regular, they come regular or irregular. The HR officer make chart and make chart and monthly and weekly. Every week HR officer show this for show this in management sector, and every day he looks properly that employee works properly, and ensure the employee safety, and ensure the employee salary. Then every employee and worker gives her salary, takes her salary in time at time. And that's all my internship report. And my supervisor is, and I'm very thankful for my supervisor, Dr. Saidul Alam sir, my associate professor of Department of Business Administration, Faculty of Business of Entrepreneurship in Daffodil International University. He guide me very well, and he regular call me and or text me then how I completed my internship in 3 months, and he guiding me very well. Thank you everyone. That's all today.